Hello, I'm Cher and I'm a teacher from Tuke School. Today we're going to learn how to make a sandwich. So what you will need is a plate, a chopping board and a knife. I need 2 slices of bread, 1, 2. I'm going to butter my bread. We're going to butter our bread, so we go right to the edges, just a little bit of butter. And I've buttered both slices of bread. Next, I'm going to choose a filling to put on the bread. I've got some corn slices, but you could use some chicken or some ham. And I put 1 slice on top of the bread. Next, I take my second slice of bread and put it on top to make a sandwich. I'm going to use my knife to cut the sandwich in half. And then I'm going to put it on the plate, ready to eat. Yum. So other things you could choose to put in your sandwich. You might like to use cheese. You might like strawberry jam. You choose. What would you put in your sandwich?
Two slices of bread. Butter bread. Choose filling and put on bread. Put second slice on top to make a sandwich. Cut sandwich, put on plate to eat.